Hi guys, Anilio from Bambi Baby. Gonna install an Uppa Baby Mesa in an Acura MDX. We're putting the infant car seat in, showing the customer how to install her car seat in this Acura MDX. The hardest part is always identifying where the anchor points are, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our YouTube channel. Hi guys, so here we are gonna enter the MDX, and we're gonna identify where the anchor points are. So the anchor points are right here. You get these little dots pointing them out. You kind of see the hole in here, and you can see where the anchor actually is in there. So what we have to do is kind of move the leather over to reach in and be able to latch on that side. The Acura MDX also has multiple attachment points where you can actually identify that it has another center anchor point here, where you would use this anchor point and the one on the far right there, and then be able to use a third set all the way at the end. Bear with me, we're going to install the base. So to install an Uppa Baby Mesa base, you have the latches right here. What you want to do is push the orange button and it extends. This draw is what connects onto the anchor point of the vehicle. So just keep the button pressed, put it into the slot, and attach it. You hear it click. Kind of do the same thing on the other side and attach it the same exact way. Kind of get the draw in there and attached. Now it ratchets its way all the way into the seat. Once it's ratcheted in, it's still not attached properly on the Mesa. It gives you a red light, green light. So put some pressure in so it's nice and tight. Now it no longer moves. Uppa Baby Mesa inside an Acura MDX. Pretty nice.